That's what she said. Yep, that's what she said. Every time I come around, she acting shy. She be looking good, she be looking fly. She told her mama that I make her feel like she don't need all that makeup, she don't need no weed. A little lip gloss, yeah, that's all she need. She keep it simple indeed because it make her feel. She never eat fast food cause it make her sick. Only meat and potatoes, yeah, that girl she thick. No surgeries over here, so you know she feel.
Y'all, did y'all see that texture? Did y'all see that color? Hergivenhair really did it up with this one. This is the perfect natural hair wig for fall. I'm taking it out of the packaging, and y'all, when I saw the color, I was like, man, this is so beautiful. This is one of those colors that just pops, and the texture is in the kinky texture, so my 4C girls, stand up. This texture is done so well, and I love that the roots are black, and they do use Swiss lace, which is top quality lace, and it is going to give you a skin melt appearance once you install it. It does come with combs and also adjustable straps as well as an elastic band. So if you wanted to wear this unit glueless, you can absolutely do that, and I'm going to show you guys how I installed it glueless. So just trying it on, guys, I could not wait to see what it was going to look like on me. To be honest, I wasn't sure if I could pull it off. But when I put it on, I was like, oh man, this is fire. It looks so amazing. It is done so well. Now, it does come with a part. I thought it was in the middle, but clearly I had it wrong. Once I actually repositioned it and aligned the lace, I realized that the part came on the left side. Now, I don't generally wear my hair on the left, so I did decide to shift it to the right. And the texture right of the package is amazing. You can wear it as is. And while I was so tempted to do that, some of you all asked in my last natural hair video where I did a 4C texture if I would actually wash and define the hair. So I'm going to show you guys that in a moment, but I do want to shift the part so that it's on the right side, which is the side that I wear my hair on. I'm also going to fluff it out to show you guys a bit more how it would look if you were to wear it without washing it. And then I'm going to show you guys the hair on the mannequin head so we can see the pre-plucked hairline up close and go over all the other details related to this beautiful unit. Alright, so let's get into this hairline. This is literally a no work needed wig. You don't have to do anything. The pre-plucked hairline is already done well enough, so you don't have to do any work there. You also don't necessarily have to go in and scent the lace, but I decided to do so. I am going to turn it over in a moment and put some foundation on it. This is the shape of the hair as is. It is in length 16. They've already cut it and shaped it so that it has this really nice, beautiful shape to it. And I love that because sometimes I do have to go in and shape my units, but with this one, I did not have to do that. The parting space is really good. I believe you get 5 to 6 inches of parting space, and that's a really good amount of parting because it creates a really nice natural and realistic look. So right now I'm just turning the lace over, and I am using this 3D face creator in order to tint the lace. I'm just going to stipple this on using my foundation brush. I'm going to allow you all to watch this process, and then I'll come back on when it's time to wash the hair. So y'all already know I was going to be using my Total Miracle by Aussie conditioner. I love this conditioner. It really helps to soften the hair and it makes it easy to detangle. I use this conditioner on all my wigs as well as my natural hair. If you have not tried it, y'all need to try it. So I've already applied the conditioner. Now I'm just going to use my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush to go in and detangle the hair. This brush is also really good for defining curls. So after I've gone through this process, I'm going to actually rinse out the conditioner and then I'm going to apply my styler. After After fully detangling the hair, this is the amount of shedding that I received, which is a very normal amount of shedding. Be sure that when you use your detangling brush that you are starting at the roots and then working your way up. Now we're going to actually begin to install the wig. Now I did put it on and it was still very much so damp, and I decided, I need to dry this a little more, put on a towel, and then also cut off the lace because it just felt icky with the lace on me. So I am going to cut the lace off now and then I'll begin installing the unit, but we're going to do it glueless.
Ryan Little.
Y'all, this is my hair. This is a perfect texture match. My hair looks just like this when it's wet. Well, minus the color and the length, but it looks just like this. The texture is so perfect. It looks so much more amazing when you wash it, guys, and define it. Once I washed it, I was like, oh my goodness. I thought it looked good right out of the box, but you haven't seen anything until you put some water and that conditioner on it. Get into it. Now, as you can see, it did really help for this unit to have dark roots. I was able to take out just a little bit of my edges in order to blend so that I can wear the unit glueless. And then I just take the side and put it behind my ear. Now I'm going to begin adding my styler. This is one of my staple stylers, which is the Curl Defining Glaze by Dark and Lovely. I rave about this stuff. So I'm just going to section the hair off, apply a generous amount, and then follow it up with a leave-in conditioner. And the one that I'm going to use is by Melanin Hair Care. Shout out to Whitney. I love this product. In the first clip, I did actually apply the Curl Defining Glaze first and then the leave-in, but I am going to start with the leave-in going forward. It's better to use a leave-in first and then apply your styler, so I'm just going to do that. After completing that process, I did decide to bring some of the baby hair from the unit down so that it will conceal my hairline and just make the start of the lace look more realistic. Now you can actually lay it with got2b glue or some form of an adhesive, but I decided not to for this install, but for sure you can do that. And I'm also going to diffuse the ends because I didn't decide to allow this hair to air dry overnight. I wanted to dry it really quickly, so I decided to do it in this manner. I also wanted a big fro look, but you could absolutely apply maybe a gel type styler to the hair in order to really define the curls. But this is the look that I was going for, and I think it turned out so well.
This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Cause baby, I love is natural. Today I saw you almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful 4C textured wig. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also check the description. I'll have all the links and specifications provided down there. I look forward to your comments and feedback, and I will see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys!
Naturally my favorite